Yes, student, today we're going to find which of the following series are in AP. And if they are in AP, find the common difference and write their three more terms. So some parts I have taken. Number first part. Here we have the first term as minus 10, second as this is A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this is A4. So for checking whether it is forming AP, we have to check their difference. It means we have to find A2 minus A1. From second, we have to subtract first term. A3 minus A2. A4 minus A3. Backward, we have to subtract. A2 minus A1. A3 minus A2. And A4 minus A3. So A2 we have minus 6 minus 10. Minus 2 minus 6. 2 minus 2. If their difference are same, then they will form AP. So minus plus and minus 6 plus 10 will give 4. Minus 2 minus plus 6, so this also give plus 4. 2 minus plus 2 equal to 4. So in all the difference we are observing, they are having the same value, that is 4. It means they have the common difference 4. So here common difference is equal to 4, therefore series is in AP. Now for finding the three more term, what we have to do, we have how many terms? 4 term. It means we have to find the fifth term, sixth term and seventh term. So for finding the fifth term, we have to keep in mind the general rule A plus 4D. So it is equal to A, the value of A we have minus 10 plus 4 into the value of 4D we have 4. So this will be equal to minus 10 plus 4, 16. So this will be equal to plus 6. So the fifth term is 6. The same way we can find the sixth term and seventh term. We have to use the relation A plus 5D and A plus 6D. Now let us see the second part. Here we have the first term 3, the second term A2 3 plus root 2, then A3 3 plus 2 root 2, then A4 3 plus 3 root 2. Let us check whether it is forming AP or not. So we are going to subtract A2 minus A3. So A2 minus A1. 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So here the difference is equal to root 2. Then third and second, A3 minus A2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3. Within bracket we have to write plus root 2 since it is in combination. So when we're going to open the bracket, 3 and 3 will be cancelled because both of them will come in negative sign. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So 3 and 3 will be cancelled and 2 root 2 minus root 2 will give root 2. So here also we are observing the same difference. Let us check the another one, A4 minus A3. So A4 minus A3 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 minus, I'm writing directly 3 minus 2 root 2. So here also 3 and 3 will be cancelled and 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 will give again root 2. So in all of them we are observing the difference is same, root 2. So here also we are observing the same difference, root 2 and root 2. So we can say this is also forming a series of AP. So it is in AP. For finding its next three term, I am finding the fifth term, A5. We're going to do A plus 4D means first term we have 3, 4 and the common difference we have root 2. So fifth term is 3 plus 4 root 2. Sixth term will be A plus 5D means A we have 3 and the value of D we have root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 and A7 the same way A plus 6D equal to 3 plus 6 root 2. Now let us come to the third part. We have all the term minus half, minus half, minus half and minus half. First term is minus half, second term, third term and fourth term. If we are going to subtract all of them, we are getting the same difference, that is 0. Let us check. A2 minus A1 equal to minus half minus minus half. So minus minus will change into positive, and negative half and plus half will be minus plus minus, we know, so this will give 0. When we subtract A3 and A2, we get the same value 0, because again we have the same values. When we find A4 and A3, again we have the same value, so we'll get 0. It means since the difference is same, so this is also in AP. It is in AP. Now for finding the fifth term, A plus 4D. So A we have minus half and D we have 0. So it will be equal to minus half, because this will change into 0. And here also A6 will also be equal to minus half, and A7 will also be equal to minus half, because when we'll write 5 into 0, this will become 0. And the value of first term will come as the answer. Come to the last part, fourth. We have root 2, root 8, root 18 and root 32. All the terms are in root form. So let us find their square root first of all. So this will be same. Root 8. We can write root 8 as root 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. The pair of 2 we get. So we can write it as 2 root 2. 18 we have 3 3 ja 9 and 9 2 ja 8. 9 2 ja 18. We have the pair of 3. So we can write 3 will come out of the square root and root 2. 32, 4 4, 16. 16 2 ja 32. So 4 will came out of the square root and 2 will remain. 4 root 2 and so on. So here we are observing root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2. So now let us solve. Here we have the first term root 2, second term 2 root 2, third term 3 root 2 and fourth term 4 root 2. Whenever you have any number in square root form, first find the pair and try to solve it. Now let us find the difference. A2 minus A1, 2 root 2 minus root 2. Since both of them have the same root number, so we have to subtract their coefficient. 2 minus 1 will give 1, so this will give root 2. A3 minus A2, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Again both of them have the same root number. 3 minus 2 1. A4 minus A3, this is equal to 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. So again it is giving root 2. So here also we are observing they are having the same root number. So it means they have the common difference root 2. So it is in AP. It is in AP. Now when you have to find the fifth term, A fifth is equal to A plus 4D. It is equal to A we have root 2 and D we have again root 2. So we can add both of them because both of them have the same root number. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 root 2. Now we have to write as the form in the series is given. So this means that 5 is having the pair, so that's why it is out of the root. So we can, if we want to take the 5 inside the root, we have to take 2 5. We have to form the pair. So it means 5 5 25 25 to 50. So it means the next fifth term is 50. For finding the sixth term, A plus 5D means root 2 plus 5 root 2. This is equal to 6 root 2. 6 root 2 means double the 6 inside the root and 2. 6 to 12, 12 6 72. The last seventh term, A plus 6D equal to root 2 plus 6 root 2. This is equal to 7 root 2. So this means 7 into 7 into 2. So 7 7 49 and 49 into 2 will give 2 9 18, 8 2 4 8 1 9. So root 98. So these are the next term of the series. So this way student you can find the AP and the next three term if they are forming the AP. Thank you.